bookkeeper. Now, a bookkeeper is just someone who helps a business or an individual keep their finances organized, basically. Bookkeepers typically earn about $20 per hour, and it's something that you can do from home, either for local clients, or you can do from home working with remote clients and communicating with them online. Job number 2 is something that I love to include. Now, clearly I have a YouTube channel and it's one of my sources of income. My YouTube channel right now, with about 75,000 subscribers, is paying me a bit over $3,000 per month. The third job on my list is that of transcriber. Now, transcriber is someone who listens to audio. This could be audio from a speaker at a conference or simply someone reciting something that they want to be transcribed. Now, typically a transcriber earns an average of about $30 per hour. The fifth job on my list is something very specific. It's to be a home stylist for Stitch Fix or for some similar service. Now, what these services do is they offer custom selected pieces of clothing to customers. The fact that they pay them about $50 an hour. Job number 6 on my list is to be an online course creator. There is so much opportunity for growth, and you can make an enormous amount of money. I mean, we're talking like tens of thousands of dollars every month if you're really good at it. All right, and the 7th and final job on my list is that of virtual assistant. Now, what a virtual assistant does is they help someone do basic tasks, such as answering email or proofreading or maybe working on managing a small project, and they do so remotely. At least $15 per hour, if not $20, $25, or $30 per hour.